Now look at that. You just did 2 projects in your bathroom. You installed a light switch. You replaced an existing light switch that you thought was faulty. And you troubleshot your light fixture up here. And you got it to work again, luckily. And you're not even an electrician, are you? See? If I can do it, you can do it. What else did you learn, Mr. Electrician, Mrs. Electrician, Miss Electrician, Sir Electrician? Yeah, you didn't even know you were an electrician, and you replaced this fixture as well, didn't you? And you replaced this light fixture, remember? Yeah, if you haven't watched those different electrical videos, check them out because they're there for you. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.